Hello, learners for change. So in today's morning pre-work activity, Gargi Didi is going to teach you something new. Okay, this is a tool. ये एक ऐसा tool है जिसको हम use करेंगे to see how we can be the best leaders or the best versions of ourselves. ठीक है, ये एक scale है, ये एक tool है जिससे हम ये पता चल सकता है हमें कि where we are currently, that हम अपने बारे में and कितना जानते हैं and how developed, like how much we have developed as leaders अभी currently, and then वहां से हमें अभी कितनी दूर जाना है. That is something that this tool helps us with. Okay, इससे हमें ये सोचने में और अपने अपने बारे में गोल सेट करने में हेल्प मिलता है. Okay, so Didi is going to teach you this tool. ये tool का मतलब क्या है, कैसे पढ़ते हैं इसको. Didi will teach you the only the first part of the tool. Okay, this tool is called student vision scale. Okay, today we are only doing the first part of it. Okay, so we are only going to look at the first part, which is understanding myself. Okay, let me just open the PPT. Okay, so we are only looking at one part of this tool. ठीक है, इसमें हम अपने आप को हम देखेंगे कि इस टेबल में हम कहाँ पे हैं, मतलब which score 1 2 3 4 में से मैं अपने आप को कौन से पोजीशन में देखती हूँ. Am I at level 1? Am I at level 2? Am I at level 3? That is what I will be learning in this video. Okay, so this first part of the tool is about understanding myself. तो इसको पढ़ने से, इसको सोचने से मुझे ये पता चलेगा how well I know myself, how well do I know myself, how well do I understand myself. So the first level over here, level 1, is right now I don't understand my history, interests, traits, etc. I know the meaning of history, so I don't understand my past. I don't understand what I like. Interests matlab what you like, and traits meaning who be. So I don't understand. That's level 1. Okay, level 2 is right now I can talk about some parts of my history, interests and traits, etc. So the second level is a little bit higher than the first one. Second में बोल रहा है I can talk about some of my history, some parts of my history, interests and traits. This is the second one. Okay, then level 3 is saying right now I am able to appreciate. I know appreciate matlab तारीफ करना. I am able to appreciate some parts of my history, interests, traits, etc. And I also use some of them to work towards my goals. Okay, now the third one is like मैं अपनी हिस्ट्री के कुछ एस्पेक्ट्स, कुछ पार्ट्स को, अपने ट्रेट्स के कुछ पार्ट्स को आई अप्रिशिएट देम, मैं उनको रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ, and I also use them to achieve my goals. Okay, now it's getting higher and higher, right? So we are going to listen to it carefully. And the last level is level 4, which is I love the person that I am today, and I also push others around me to use their history, interests, traits towards their goals. Okay, so the last one is like मैं अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करती हूँ, and I respect myself. I love the person I am, and I also push other people to become more self-aware, understand their history, traits and interests, and work towards their goals. Okay, I have understood. तो मुझे इसको पढ़ना आ गया, like इसका क्या मतलब है, I understood. Now I'll actually look at examples. मैं examples देखूंगी हर एक लेवल की, कि अगर मैं लेवल 1 का बच्चा जो है वो कैसा दिखता है, वो क्या, उसके क्या एक्शंस होते हैं, लेवल 2 के बच्चे के क्या एक्शंस होते हैं. I am going to do that quickly. Okay, so for level 1, sorry, for level 2, level 1 में ऐसा कुछ एक्शन नहीं है, so we'll go to level 2 directly, because level 1 में क्या बोल रहा है, level 1 में बोल रहा है right now I do not understand. मतलब that child, अगर आपको समझ में ही नहीं आता है अभी what your interests are or what your history is, then you are at a level 1, कि अभी आपको ये सब टर्म्स के बारे में नहीं समझ में आता. Okay, this is an example of level 2. Okay, over here this is a girl, Bhagu Ben. Okay, she is a shy child. Okay, she enjoys reading. She enjoys reading and writing short stories and poems. ठीक है, that means भागू बहन knows वो अपने interest जानती है, इसको क्या पसंद है, इसको ये पता है, right? She also started attending classes regularly and she participates in virtual events. Okay, and she has improved her reading level by 2 levels, and while she struggles with maths, she shows up for all classes. मतलब उसने अपना रीडिंग लेवल इंप्रूव किया, so she's achieving her goal, and also that she's trying to work hard for math, so she's going to class, she's working, so that means she's also able to, what is she doing, कुछ कुछ अपने इंटरेस्ट को समझती है, वो अपने हॉबीज को जानती है, एंड अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने की थोड़ी थोड़ी कोशिश भी करती है, एंड कुछ कुछ गोल्स सक्सेसफुली अचीव कर भी पाती है. ओके, आई हैव अंडरस्टूड लेवल 2. I will look at level 3. Okay, so this is another example of a child, Jay. Okay, so Jay wants to become a scientist or an astronaut. He's curious and creative, enjoys innovations and testing them. Meaning he wants to become an astronaut, so he keeps making things, he keeps experimenting, वो नई नई चीजें बनाता रहता है, so he knows his interests, he knows his goals in life, he knows his dream, and he knows what kind of a person he is. What else does he do? He also, नीचे जाके पढ़ता है, he stays back after class regularly to ask doubts and big open-ended questions. Jay is on track to meet all his learning goals. That means what is he doing? He's pushing himself. वो जो चीज उसमें अच्छा है उसको push कर रहा है. He's using his curiosity to become better, to achieve his goals. So this is level 3, because he knows what he wants to become, he knows his interests, he's also appreciating himself, right, by doing different things, and he's also using his interests and traits to learn more and more and achieve his goals. Okay, now we look at the last one, which is level 4. Okay, so level 4 का बच्चा जो है वो कैसा दिखता है on this tool which is called the student vision scale. Okay, तो इसमें एक और example देता है, Chaggan. Okay, he has struggled to fit in the community. Over the past year, he has learned about his Rajasthani culture and is developing pride in his culture and who he is. Okay, he has begun to write stories about migrant children and shares these with his classmates. Through this, he is exploring what it means to be a migrant and how it gives him dual perspectives. Okay, so what did I learn from this? I learned that there is a boy, okay, who was finding it difficult to fit. अपने नए जगह पे वो adjust करने में उसको problem हो रहा था, right? And उसने क्या सीखा था, उसके जहाँ पे गांव में, राजस्थान में, उसके गांव में he learned more about his village, he learned more about the kind of people in his village, and he started becoming very proud of the people and of his culture. अपने culture को, अपने village से वो बहुत proud हो गया, and he started sharing stories about those people जो लोग दूसरे स्टेट से इस कोई अलग स्टेट में आते हैं, तो उनकी stories he started sharing with his friends. Sorry, I am yawning. I am just very tired. That's why. But he's sharing stories with his friends, right? And he is trying to tell people, वो दूसरे लोगों को भी बताना चाह रहा है कि वो कैसे उसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में, उसके इंटरेस्ट के बारे में वो बाकी लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा है, एंड उनको मोटिवेट कर रहा है कि तुम जैसे भी हो, यू शुड बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, राइट, एंड हमेशा दूसरों की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. सो ही इज आल्सो पुशिंग अदर पीपल, एंड दैट्स व्हाई he's on level 4 right now of the student vision scale, because he knows who he is right now, he loves who he is, and he's also helping others realize that, helping others understand that. Okay, so this was the student vision scale. हमने student vision scale समझ लिए. Now what we are going to do as our assignment is that हम देखेंगे कि इस स्केल के इस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट में हम कहाँ पे हैं. आर वी एट लेवल 1, आर वी एट लेवल 2, आर वी एट लेवल 3 और आर वी एट लेवल 4. 4 पे होना इस समय बहुत मुश्किल है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू लर्न अ लॉट राइट नाउ, बट वी विल स्टिल सी, वी विल रीड दीज लाइन्स एंड ट्राई टू सी वेयर वी आर ऑन दिस टूल। ठीक है, हम सोचेंगे कि हम कितना कितना बोल पाते हैं अभी अपने बारे में, कितना समझ पाते हैं और कितना हम उसको यूज कर पाते हैं, एंड फिर हम अपने आप को प्लेस करेंगे लेवल 1 या लेवल 2, लेवल 3, लेवल 4 में। जो भी हमारा लेवल होगा, विच एवर विल बी आर लेवल, वी विल सर्कल इट। सपोज मेरा लेवल 2 है, आई विल सर्कल इट एंड आई विल मेक एन एरो कि मुझे लेवल 2 से लेवल 4 पे जाना है। Like this, I will annotate and I will send it on the LC group. Okay, that is your pre-work, first part of your pre-work. Okay, thank you.